Walter sat at his kitchen table, peeling a hard-boiled egg. He had eaten eggs every morning for the past 20 years, believing they were the gold standard for strength and health. But during his last checkup, his doctor surprised him with a statement that kept echoing in his mind. "Eggs are excellent, Walter, but there's a bean that may help your muscles even more at your age." A bean? Stronger than eggs? The thought seemed ridiculous, almost laughable. Yet the more Walter thought about it, the more curious he became. Because lately, his body was telling him a story he didn't want to hear. Carrying groceries felt heavier, climbing stairs left him winded, and even opening jars seemed like a challenge. Something was slipping away. His strength. This isn't just Walter's story. After the age of 50, most people lose muscle year after year, even if they eat well. By 70, as much as 30% of muscle can be gone. That's why simple things like rising from a chair or walking long distances suddenly feel harder. It's not weakness of character, it's biology. So why does it happen? Imagine your muscles as brick walls. In your 20s and 30s, dozens of builders worked non-stop to repair and strengthen those walls. But with age, many of those builders retire. The bricks, protein from foods like eggs, still arrive, but there aren't enough workers to use them. The result? Slow repair, shrinking strength, and increasing fatigue. This is why some seniors eat eggs, meat, or protein shakes faithfully, yet still feel weaker. The body needs more than just protein. It needs nutrients that wake up those retired workers and call them back to the job site. And this is where the bean comes in. Walter's doctor was talking about soybeans, the kind you'll find as edamame, tofu, or tempeh. Soy is a complete protein, just like eggs. But here's the twist. Soy contains natural compounds called isoflavones. Think of them as gentle alarm clocks for aging muscle cells. They don't replace eggs, they work alongside them, helping the body squeeze more muscle growth out of the same amount of protein. Picture two seniors. One eats protein only from eggs, the other eats eggs plus soybeans. Both are giving their bodies building blocks, but the one with soy gets an extra signal to rebuild. Over time, that small edge may mean stronger legs, steadier balance, and the freedom to keep doing the things you love. Walter decided to give it a try. Instead of replacing his eggs, he paired them with half a cup of steamed edamame 3 nights a week. At first, nothing seemed different, but after a few weeks, he noticed his legs didn't wobble as much when he stood up. Carrying laundry up the stairs wasn't easy, but it wasn't terrifying either. His body felt like it had stopped slipping backward, and soy wasn't the only secret. Walter also made a few small changes that made his meals work harder for him. He added lentils to his soups, giving his muscles more steady fuel and keeping his blood sugar stable. He began pulling a resistance band for just a few minutes before bed, enough to spark muscle repair overnight. And he made sure to spend 10 minutes in the sun most mornings, topping up vitamin D so his body could actually use all that protein. It wasn't about overhauling his life. It was about stacking small, smart habits that worked together. Protein plus soy, food plus movement, nutrition plus sunlight. The results weren't dramatic like a movie makeover, but they were real. Walter felt steady again, more confident in his body, and more hopeful about the years ahead. That's the kind of transformation every senior deserves. Not magic, but natural changes that add up over time. And here's what you can do today. First, add a serving of soybeans, tofu, or tempeh to your meals this week. Don't think of it as replacing eggs. Think of it as teaming them up. Second, commit to 2 minutes of resistance band pulls before bed. These 2 steps alone can set your muscles back on the path to growth. If you'd like a full roadmap that takes you through 30 days of nutrition, exercises, and daily habits designed to naturally reverse age-related muscle loss, you can download my Muscle Revival Blueprint. It's simple, senior-friendly, and shows you exactly what to do day by day. When you're done here, watch my playlist called Smart Nutrition for Seniors. It explores more foods that help rebuild strength and energy naturally. Now I'd love to hear from you. Do you eat more beans or more eggs? And have you noticed how they affect your strength? Share your thoughts in the comments. I'll be reading.